Austria has a beeline to the basket, and Blackwater is back within 2.
Hindi natutuwa si Coach Tim Cone yung mga turnovers katulad ng ganun. Bibigyan mo ng layup ang kalaban.
Laban na tayo. Grigsby inside, goes to the floater. And hindi na makaantay si Coach Patrick Aquino. Uunahan na niya yung dead ball. Lamang ng 7 Ginebra, 7. Again, itong Ginebra has had the number of Blackwater as Japet will get for himself a 3-point play opportunity. Philippine Cup to. Ginebra beat Blackwater 103-85. Commissioner's Cup kicks it out. Panopio from deep. In and out.
Ang ganda naman ng follow-up.
And hindi na nagugustuhan ni Coach Tim yung tinatakbo ng ating labanan. Bakit paano? 3 na lang ang abante ng Ginebra. 21-18. Hindi na na-challenge.
Kaya nga.
Mas madali nang gamitin, ano, Doc?
Ba?
Stephen Holt
8 na yan.
continues his solid first quarter.
8 na yan.
Malupit ang galaw, solid ang pas, malakas ang hiyaw.
Oh, steal by Bearfield. Maya gives chase. Bearfield is gone. And Blackwater answers that 6-0 run with a 6-0 blast of their own. Kaya naman, naibaba nila sa 8 ang kanilang kailangan habulin dito.
Chilagan.
Rosario, back out to Koo. 3 ball to Ralph is good. 6-0 run ng Ginebra, hindi tinime out na ni Coach Pat. Nung sumukli ng 6. Ito na si Bearfield, pupunta kay Panopio. Reverse ni Ralph is good.
Yung talaga kailangan speed tsaka konting pressure para makabalik dito.
Abarrientos gives it up. Grigsby for 3.
Oh! Panatili na kay Coach Tim Cone. Ang 3-point shots are falling tonight, no? Here in the first half at least.
Sinay walang hinto, sa solid na laro.
Against the shot clock.
Oh!
Threw up the 4. Prayer answered.
Wala kang magagawa sa depensa pag ganyan na tinitira sa iyo.
27. From the logo.
Oh!
Buries it.
Wala kang magagawa. 3 na yung 4-point shot na nagagawa.
Grigsby for 3. Hawa-hawa na talaga, no? Sinlaki na ng patya ang ring para sa Barangay Ginebra ngayon.
Oh!
Grigsby to Carino. He's having himself a quarter here, Dr. J. 9 puntos na para kay Ken Mark. At ang lamang ng Ginebra bumalik sa 33.
Malupit ang galaw, solid ang pas.
First game will be NLEX and San Miguel. The only 2 remaining mag-attend sa game. Pero tignan natin, baka by Sunday, pwede na. Si Coach Leo. Pinto for 3. Possible na yata. Pero, ang pwede mahabol dito. They want it.
Oh, ayun. 3-point shot.
Yung 56 point.
Agaw ninyo yun.
Morel trying to go 94 feet. He completes it.
Yung gusto ko makita decent game today.
Eto, nung umpisa, maganda. As he gets the bounce for this one, 16 in the game. Diba? Ayan, tinatakbo pa rin nila, Doc. And look at them,
great.
get the alley-oop.
Ang ganda.
Solid ang laban, malupit ang galaw,